Hey guys, it's Jazz again. It's now about midnight on the 17th of December. Correction, 17th of November. I got the motor put back together. I didn't bother putting on the tensioners for the AC compressor and the alternator. It's irrelevant at this point to get the car started. But everything's hooked up. I did use the old trick to jack the whole car up in order to get the plugs back in the right place. We'll see if I can zoom in and show you. Nope, not going to be able to see it. But anyway, the white connector is up front, black connectors in the back. They were all labeled. I actually labeled not only the coils themselves, but also the connectors, because I knew that was going to be a possibility for getting everything goofed up when I put it back together. So AVCS is plugged in. You can see back there that we have the, if I can get to it, there it is. There's your TGV motor, and there's your cam position sensor down there. So those are all plugged in. Let's see if we can come up here. That's plugged in. And there is your crank position sensor. That's plugged in. And just to verify, it is tight. Same thing with over on this side. Yep. So both coil packs are appropriately plugged in. I don't think you guys can see them on your end, but you can see the. I can't even get to it. Right there is your TGV motor. That's plugged in. Looking down a little farther, and I can see the cam sensor is plugged in. So everything's good. Now, question for you guys. I hear that I have the key in the ignition right now into the on position, and I'm hearing this whine, and I can't figure out what the hell it's coming from. I have no idea if you're going to be able to hear that on the video, but it sounds like some kind of crazy little whine. But without further ado, I'm going to try to start it. Neutral, e-brake, brake, clutch. And I got nothing. Just for shits, let's see what that check engine light is all about, shall we? Might be something good for us. Oh, come on, get in the hole. Alright, let's see what we got. Nothing stored. Nothing pending. And of course it's a manual transmission, so there's no transmission control module on here either. So, I don't know, guys. I'm hoping, by all means, share it with your friends. Share it with your teachers, your coworkers, your fellow master techs, whatever. Because I'm clueless and really starting to get irritated at this damn thing. I just want this car to run and get it out of my garage. I got other projects. So, thanks for watching, guys.